Want to know how to use terrain positioning to win hard fights in Kings Road? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to explain you how you can easily do it in just under a minute. So my explanation might just help you out a lot in order to position yourself and win some harder fights. Terrain actually matters a lot in Kings Road combat. So make sure you always fight near corners or walls. Make sure you are not in the open. Sometimes you can get hit from behind from the enemies as well. So make sure you also pull enemies one by one instead of rushing in. Use choke points to protect your healer and use also weak points and keep on attacking and dodging. This tactic lets weak teams clear strong enemies. And that's it. No upgrades needed, no gems, just smart positioning and you should be good to go. And that's it. Super simple and easy. This is how you easily use terrain positioning to win hard fights. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.